think I'm gonna have to readjust the calculation. It's got me taking almost 3 hours to get home. It didn't take me 3 hours to get up here. Let's fix that mess. Holly grill. Cute. I found the Jay's Holly grill. Very cute. I found the Holly grill. Sanford Duncan Dueling Ground. Western Saloon. Did not see a single horse. I'm not going to sneak up anybody like that. Everybody will hear you show up. Oh. They got their city limits that run just along these main roads. You see something like that, it means the municipality is looking for revenue for speeding, you know, from speeding. Hotel there on the left. Isn't that cute?
I'm sorry, boys, but we haven't got any vacancies.
You got no vacancy.
We got plenty of rooms.
Oh, it's all right. We take a room. You want a room?
All right.
All right, we take a vacancy.
Oh, boy. Take the gentleman's baggage.
What is it? What?
Hey, you know that suitcase is empty?
That's all right. We fill it up before we leave.
Oh, you will, huh? Well, you'll empty it before I go out.